Service in Springfield has issued a flash flood warning for western Cedar County until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday. At 6:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Jericho Springs, Philly, Wagoner, Olympia, Kapling Mills and Cedar Springs. This includes the following low water crossings: Little Clear Creek at Oz Road. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Many flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday for the following county: Cedar, Missouri. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a flash flood warning for western Cherokee County, western Crawford County, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time Monday. At 4:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms